Hello everyone. In the past I had a video about how my soil has transformed when I bought this house, comparing to what it used to be and to what it is now. And I just want to do a little recap on that right now. I have my shovel here and I want to show you how the soil used to be. This is how I used to have to plant when I first planted the trees. I'll show you how hard the soil is. Let's get close. You see it looks like concrete? You see that? It looks like concrete? This is what I had to deal with. That's what I had to deal with. Try to grow in that. Try to grow in this. And now this turned into this. Goodbye, everyone.